Hey everybody, it's Dusty from Dusty Beards. Just want to give you guys some insight on Live Bearded, their products, how to use them. So here we go. All right, first things first. What we want to do is talk about Live Bearded and their products. Live Bearded has been around for quite some time now. I've used several beard companies before to try to save money. It doesn't do you much good. A little bit of product goes a long way. A little bit of oil, a little bit of beard butter, balm, whatever you want to call it. They do have washes, combs, brushes. They have apparel. But don't take my word for it. Get on their website, look at their reviews, look how well they're doing. You'll find 5 stars everywhere, thousands of them. Guys and ladies alike love it. Ladies that have a man with a beard, they love it. It's some of the best stuff you're gonna find on the market. Their shipping is free after you spend $35. That's not a lot, especially considering that you buy oil, butter, and a comb, you've spent 40 bucks. But like I said, that $40 is gonna go a long way. You don't need a lot, even for a beard like this, you don't need a lot of product. So let's talk about what they have. They have beard oil, beard butter, beard wash, combs, brushes, apparel, you name it, they've got it. Anything you're looking for. So when we talk about why we need these things, you don't need beard oil for your beard. You need it for the skin under your beard, around your beard, because it dries out naturally. It's just like your head. So you have to have that to keep your beard healthy. The beard butter, on the other hand, will soften it, make it smell good. The ladies will love it. You won't smell like, well, you know, around other people. Beards get nasty. Just like everything else on your body can get nasty over time. There's been studies shown that it's just about as bad as feces. So you guys have to keep your beards clean. It has to happen, especially in today's world. So I want to give you guys a little bit of an example on how to use some things. Now, I've already washed my beard, but I have the Mossy Oak Scent beard wash here. It is cedar, pine, eucalyptus, and oak. It's got a very woodsy smell. It's not very strong, but it's not weak. Like, you can smell it throughout the day. So what you want to do is just like washing your natural hair. You want to get it wet, lather it up, let it set for a minute, rinse it out. Simple as that, easy as pie. Everybody can do that. The next thing you want to do is get out of the shower. You don't want to like really get into your beard drying it. You just want to kind of pat it dry. Keep some of the water in. That's what you're going to use for your oil. I've got the same scent and oil, and I'm going to give you guys an example of how to use that. Again, you don't need very much. You don't need a soaking handful. You just need a few drops. So it should look something like this on your hands. Very, very minimal. Now, oil's very shiny naturally, but it's very minimal. So you want to get it in there. You want to really get down in the skin. I'll give you guys reasons why in here in just a minute. All you guys complain about beard itch when you're growing it, especially. The ladies complain about the flakes, the stiffness of the hair, all that. You really want to keep your skin healthy. Then you want to buy a beard brush. They have a beard brush. It's boar's hair. It's very stiff. It doesn't hurt. You guys will get over it. Be strong. So what you want to do is you just want to go through it a couple times. If you have a very long beard, and I don't have one with me right now, but if you have a very long beard, you want to comb through it. It really helps. They have thick tooth comb, wide tooth rather, that'll go through easier. It won't snag, it won't pull. Very good product, very good use. And then after that, what you want to do is some beard butter. Now this is for the hair. This is the only product that's for the hair aside from the wash. This is what keeps your beard soft. It's what keeps the hair healthy. It protects it during the day from everyday life. That's what this is for. And again, you don't need a whole lot of this. Now it does look like a butter. You guys can see that. You wouldn't think using it, like I'm not putting that in my hair, but it's very simple. So all you want to do for like a beard like mine, about that much, just a fingertip. Put it in your palm, work it around. Again, your hands are gonna look like this. You're gonna take this on your beard, you're just gonna rub it in, all underneath, all on top. It'll help shape it. There, you can see me a little better. That's all there is to it. Your hands will be oily, dry them off, simple as that, wash them, do whatever. And that's that. You can brush it again if you'd like. Sometimes you don't need to. You wake up in the morning, got crazy hair, you take a shower, it's still crazy, you're probably gonna need to. That being said, a little bit goes a long way. Now this is 4 ounces, pretty big jar full. Just a tiny amount goes a very long way. I probably won't need to buy any more of this unless I want a new scent for probably at least a month. You don't have to use it every day. You do not have to wash your beard every day. You don't want to use your sulfate shampoos like what your ladies use. It dries it out drastically. You want something healthy that's made specifically for that type of hair. The hair on your beard is not the same as the hair on your forehead, on your head, really. You don't want to do that. So I want to give you guys a little bit of help. If you go to my Facebook page, you look at the link below, you will see a promo code. That promo code automatically gives you 10% off when you make an account on your first order. So what you do is you go to the link below, you type in, when you get to checkout, you type in Dusty Beards 10. That's DUSTYBEARDS10. Dusty Beards 10. Type that into the promo code. You'll get 10% off of your order. Buy as much as you want. Again, shipping's free over $35. You get the 10% off. You're saving a lot of money there. Shipping is ridiculous these days. So again, go to my link down below, type in the promo code, get your 10% off, enjoy your product, and as always, live bearded.